How to track your Temu orders for delivery updates. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Temu is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. Once you have got the application on a device, open it. Enter your login credential, as in the user ID and the password, and simply log into your specific account. It will land you on this page once you are logged in. Now what you want to do is move into You at the very bottom and then proceed to your orders. In this page, you will see all the list of the order that you have made. But at the very top, you can see different options. One is processing, shipped, delivered, and returned. All you want to do is proceed to delivered. And there you will be able to see all of the track of your orders that you have made. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can track your Temu order for delivery updates. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.